Hi, welcome to another episode of Kahona, a podcast by the Mind Diaries and the Wellbeing Trust. Kahona brings unhurried, honest conversations on mental well-being, exploring the complexities of life, work, and identity with depth, empathy, and hope. We often talk about men's mental health, and we only talk about the corporate setups at workplaces, in family settings, but one important role that we don't talk about men is when it comes to being a father. Today we have with us special guests. We have Vikas and we have Shikaina,
Hi.
a singing sensation, and we'd like to ask you some questions about parenting a teenage daughter, mental well-being around you. Of course, men's mental health often gets ignored because they're doing so much for the family. Shakaina she's just gotten out of teenage, but you've handled her through teenage years. So let's keep it casual. I'll have lots of questions. Please butt in things that you think I'm missing, asking. Because this is for you. When you first became a father, what were some of your hopes and fears?
There were no fears actually. When my wife was expecting, I had a desire for daughter, so I was like very, excited. Like, we got. If you're sending a new, family member, so like should be
Ladki
daughter,
ho.
ladki ho.
Okay. Awesome.
So I was already prepared, and I was very excited. I wanted a daughter.
Awesome. Looking back, what has been Shakaina's father taught you about being a man? I mean, there are different things we learn in different roles. Because when we are single, it's different. When you're a daughter's father, वो कैसे role change हुआ आपके लिए?
When you are with the babies and all, you enjoy, and
Right.
it's difficult when they, start growing up. Then, then you have to deal with a lot of things. Like there were many stages in my life. Like once I was a father, I was a dear father, and then I became a teacher.
So, men are often told to be strong, Did fatherhood change that? Because you emote more easily when you're a dad, right?
We have to.
Hmm?
That's true.
तो वो चेंज हुआ क्या कि पहले
बहुत.
men are always told don't show emotions, always be in control of emotions, don't show emotions as much. Did that change when you became a dad?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Yes.
Shakaina, we'll have some questions for you now.
Oh, okay.
What is that one lesson you learned from your dad which has kept you going through the years? That one lesson that you still carry with you?
There are loads of lessons actually, I will be very honest. So when it comes to me, being a performer and being confident on the stage, he has always, he loves to share his story. He loves to share his testimony is what he calls it. And I have always heard it from a very young age. So there is this one part in which, he talks about how when he was on the stage for the first time, he didn't think of it like, oh my god, there are so many people there, He thought, oh, only this many.
Wow.
Like, there could have been more. So that has always helped me whenever I've been on stage. I have always kept that with me.
Right.
And apart from that, there is this one thing that he says, which was said to him by somebody else about time and how it flies within a blink of an eye. So when he says that, I always remember how I am to cherish every second and live in the present. So that always reminds me that I have to live in the present. I can't waste my time thinking about what has already passed or what will happen, because we don't know what will happen tomorrow.
Right.
So I try to live in the present, I try to live in the moment. So that is what he has taught.
That's so beautiful. And also the bit you said about looking at a situation from, you have both perspectives to look at it. कि बहुत सारे लोग हैं या only so much.
Only,
So
exactly.
it's the perspective
The lens,
why
yeah, true.
the lens changed, right? Was there a moment when you realized that your father is not just a father but also a human being who might have mistakes, and we usually put our parents on a pedestal, but is
I
it
know.
important to also realize that they're also human? Was there a
Definitely,
time when you
definitely.
realized that?
Definitely. The thing is that I read it somewhere or I watched it somewhere, and it said that, it was about the parents. It was about how it's their first time being,
Right.
a father of a teenage daughter too. So that's when I realized that he's trying his best too, So I try to take it slow. Of course, we have our rifts, we have our highs, we have our lows,
Of course.
but in the end,
See, in past 25 or 30 years, I'm still learning to become a father.
he is it.
So every time there's a new thing comes up, or you it's like, I mean, it's a daily process, learning process. Then you become a father.
Right.
So at times, like I was a strict father. Then I had to change myself for
Uh-huh.
a lot of things because our relationship was not going well. I mean, I could make out that. Like then I had to. I'm still changing myself, and I'm changing for the betterment. Obviously, I mean, when you have a teenage daughter, then
Right.
you have to change. You cannot be that stubborn father all the time. So there are many. There's a friend of mine who he's known. She once told me that you cannot be a friend to your daughter,
Right.
only parent. So I think I disagree to this. You have to cope up. I mean, as I said, you practice daily.
Right.
So I'm
And I guess you
practicing.
play both roles. Sometimes you have to be a
Yeah, a
friend.
friend and
Sometimes.
Sometimes it's more now. It's more friends only
Yeah,
because
we're more like friends.
these kids
Okay.
they can't handle the what do you call it? I mean, they don't like you matlab, controlling.
Right.
We like to understand, but
Mm.
there is a very thin line between us thinking that you're controlling us, or like you're
Yes.
saying.
No,
it
there
was
are many things. Like if I have to tell her something, so I have to think.
How to
So
do
I
Absolutely.
present it. If I know that like if I say something to her and she will directly say no. Take for anything like for
Right.
her clothes or anything. If I have
Right.
to. Manao her for something,
Right.
and I have to. I make a script. I do it in a dramatic way. So and so and whatever.
Whatever works. Absolutely.
Yeah. So this is not only for the work that we do. This is like
in general.
this is a daily
Yeah,
life.
daily
What
life.
we are. I mean, fathers are always learner and it's still learning.
That's
Daughters are
beautiful.
always free.
It's not that.
They don't have to learn to become a daughter. They
No,
are
no,
they.
I'm sure
I
she's
mean-
learning as well.
Yeah, I am trying. I'm learning too. I'm learning to grow too at the same time, because of course even I'm growing up and
Right.
everything. Things are changing. Things get serious as you
Right.
grow. So I'm learning that too.
Right. Vikas, we always talk about the mother's role when it comes to the child. What role does the father play when it comes to the child's emotional well-being?
See, in my case, like my wife is, she's very sweet. I mean, she handles both of us. Like, she's actually basically we pull her into our thing chaos. Whenever there's something
She's stuck
we
in the
call her
middle.
as a judge.
Oh yeah. I'm the referee for my
Yeah.
family, so I know what you're saying.
So at the end, but like sometimes I'm after her. Why you only like?
Why you take this?
Mala, you are my wife. You know me. If I'm saying something that she has done, I mean, you should trust me.
Right.
So whenever she enters, both of you, please don't involve me. So she's neutral. I mean, she's. But I think the fathers are more like responsible than mother, because mother cannot be. Because daughters they are more close to the mother, but in her case it's different. She's more close to me.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I
But,
can say that. There are loads of things that I talk to my dad about.
Right.
I'm very open with him.
Right.
Like he said, because we are friends more, So once you
That's
know that
lovely.
your parent is your friend, it's much more easier to converse with them, to have
But
conversations.
as a father, like you said, emotions. There are many times, I have to. I'm a father, whenever I go to her and I present her that I can handle everything easily.
Right.
So
right.
I have to. It's not like every time you have to be strong from inside. Like you might have a lot of problems, or whenever you go to your child, I don't say that I'm a hero for her, but I
No,
would
you
say that I'm a hero
Aw.
for her, for my side.
Absolutely.
So I try to become a hero for her all the time, and rest though. Once I told her, I always not scold. I keep telling her that practice hard and I want to see you there.
Right.
So my dream for her was like to, I wanted to see her in the greater heights, and so for that I tell her every time. So sometimes she gets irritated. I know so then, what do I say to you?
See, I'll tell you, this changed time with time. So
Right.
initially, when I was in my teenage years, so what used to happen is, I don't know if it was the age or if it was my mindset. Like I said, even I changed, right?
Right.
So the thing is that initially I used to take it in a very negative way. Even though I knew that he wanted to encourage me,
Right.
now I know. When you're 16, you feel like everybody is against you.
Right.
Okay, that is how it is.
Right.
Sometimes when you are young, it is very hard for us to express our emotions initially, because like I said, you feel like parents, like kaise bole, will they understand, will they
Absolutely.
not understand? So somehow luckily, me and my parents, we reached this stage
Yeah.
that I know that I can express things with them, I
That's
can talk to
beautiful,
them.
yeah.
You know, since past more than 25 years, I was a teacher,
Mhm.
and under guidance of Mr. Gardner, who is a great principal of Dehradun, not only of Dehradun, I mean, I would say he's the world's best principal, and working with him, I learned many things, disciplined. And today, I think of all those kids, to whom I, used to, scold और समझाता था मैं उनको.
Right.
मैं सोचता हूँ यार ये मेरी बेटी ने मेरे साथ ऐसा कर दिया कि अब तो मेरे कुछ चलती नहीं इसके आगे. वो जो होता है ना, वो जो टीचर वाली बात, मतलब I was always like, I was not friendly with the
Uh-huh.
students and all, because once you get friendly, then they start putting a hand on
And
your
that is-
shoulder,
yeah, that is
and then
of
that's
course,
not,
yeah.
you
That
know,
is of
I was
course
brought
not-
up that way. So more than 25 years you were a teacher, because I joined when I was 18, and my first teaching was in the girls' school,
Oh.
Convent of Jesus and Mary. So my learning process was that way. So after like she was born, I had to change many. I mean, I said
Right.
still I'm learning. So but like ये है कि मतलब मैं उन सब बच्चों को, अगर आप लोग ये पॉडकास्ट देख रहे हो तो बच्चों, मेरा एक ही मोटिव था जैसे इसके लिए है, आप लोगों के लिए भी,
For the
कि
betterment.
एक्चुअली आई वाज मोर इनटू पेरेंटल, वो कि आपको लाइफ में you have to learn moral values and all into this, but sorry kids, forgive me.
No, but like I was saying, that initially even I looked at it in a very negative way, but this one point came in which, it was like a volcano in me, and then one day I just exploded. I told him that, you say this, I feel like this. It was like I just expressed it all, and even he did. And I think so after that things changed a lot. After that he also told me what he actually meant. That's why communication is very important in every
Like I said,
relationship.
you have to
That's beautiful. So
Yeah.
I have to make a
giving each
script.
other that
Like I have learned
space
how to
express
Yeah.
is
Exactly.
so
You need to
important.
know that why is that person saying that, and it goes both ways.
Right.
In the end, nobody has ill intentions for you. No one, especially your family, would not.
Right.
So even you have to understand that what they actually mean to say, and even if they have to understand how to put it out. So it's a bit of
It's a
work.
learning process.
It's a
I
learning
guess.
process.
Because what are some of the signs that people should watch out, when you're dealing with an adolescent and if they're struggling emotionally? I'm sure you notice that, okay, I need to change my strategy. So what are some signs you would tell parents to notice?
see. As I said, it's a learning process every day. It's better, like it's not that like it's like hurting is one-sided. We as a parents also feel hurt many times.
Bilkul.
But after all, they are the kids. We have to make her understand, make
Right.
them understand, and they're the one who needs guidance, not we. So my suggestion to the parents is like understand your kids, no matter how stressed you are, control your emotions, and because if you don't guide them, if you don't understand them, and nobody can understand them.
Shakaina, what makes it easier or harder for young people today to talk about mental health with their parents?
It's more about understanding, cooperation. To talk about mental health, first off, we need to know and we need to understand that you can talk to them about it. Sometimes you're scared. Initially, even I was scared that
Right.
can I talk to them about this? You are scared, how will they react?
Right.
But I would say take the risk, give it a try, because in the end, your parents love you. So if you tell them that you're dealing with something, you're struggling with something, they will listen to you. They
Aw.
might get mad for like a few seconds, but
Right.
in the end, they will listen to you. So do that, try that.
If you had to tell parents one thing adolescents wish adults understood better, what would that be?
Like I said, communication is very important. You can say the same thing in a very different way, you know.
Okay.
It's the way you're saying it, you know.
Wow, so your dad has taken the clue very well.
No, the way you say it's very important for young people, especially when you're in your teen era, you know.
Absolutely.
So you have to just understand how to put it out there, and that's all I'll say. And please do let them know that you care for them. Sometimes teenagers forget that.
Right.
You know, teenagers do forget that.
See,
and
many
then they-
teenagers today, they feel their parents are enemies. No, I'm not talking to
I know.
her. I'm lucky to have her. It's not that I was lucky from the beginning. Even I had to go through many, you know. But yeah, as Prachi
Right.
throw the word, like, you know, I had, like, I don't have a solution, but like, yeah, I said I practice, and I'm still practicing every day to become a perfect father. So I'm still,
Aw.
so the parents should not see. My advice to all the teenagers, like, you know, there are no one in this world to whom you can blindly faith except your parents.
Absolutely.
So
you can trust your
please
parents.
don't hate
You
them,
have to.
and make them understand, like she did. You
Right.
know?
It's worth all the thrashing out,
It's
right?
definitely
It's
worth
absolutely
it.
I would like to
Are
say
you
one more
saying-
thing. Like with her, you know, I said I was a teacher for many years, and like I was brought up that way.
Mhm.
So whenever there was something on the TV or anything, any that kind of word, you know,
Uh-huh.
like which
Right.
should. I mean, I
Uh-huh.
used to be very uncomfortable or something.
हाँ.
बट आजकल के ये बच्चों के साथ तो सारे, मैं कैमरे में बोल नहीं सकता, वो लाउडली चलता है।
Absolutely.
और मैं इनको देखो,
हाँ.
इनको देखता हूँ, चिल
It's
बस।
always for us. I mean, we are
Yeah,
seeing
actually बहुत शुरुआत में होती थी। अब as a father, very easy for me now today, like whenever, you know, like हम लोग, we are a musician, so हम लोग बहुत बार जाते हैं, तो ये मेरे साथ बहुत क्लोज है। लाइक कभी इश्यूज आती है, सैनिटरी पैड्स लाने हैं, पहले मुझे बहुत awkward फीलिंग होता था, अब मैं सैनिटरी पैड दे दूँ।
हाँ.
अब वाइफ के लिए भी मैं खरीदता हूँ, इनके लिए भी मैं
हाँ,
खरीदता हूँ,
that's
तो
so
इट्स
sweet.
लाइक
Yeah.
So,
It's
बहुत
so
सारे-
important to have that
Yeah,
closeness. I think it makes things so much simpler.
very much, very much.
Right. Shekinah, this is for you. Adolescence today comes with a whole pack of things. There's social media, there's, you know, the constant need to show what you're doing. How does one balance both? Because you're somebody who's, you know, you've built a career at this young age. So you obviously also focused on the hard work. And so how does one balance both?
Okay, if you use social media from a very positive mindset, you know, that way you can balance it. Of course, there are so many people who are doing better than you, who are doing this, who are doing that.
Right.
People tend to compare themselves. It's very normal for everybody to compare themselves. But just remember that everybody's pace is different. You have to remember that. And you are doing it your way, they're doing it their way, you know, like
Right.
everybody has their own pace. Just remember that. And if you're using social media, see, I post stuff, okay? There are loads of times when even like shooting bhi jab hoti hai, you know, like they show a big house and in the end, in reality, it's not actually a big house. It's like a thing made of
Pretty
cardboard
corner,
and
yeah.
stuff, right? So you have to remember that it's not real. Social media is not real, but at the same time, अगर positively उसको use करना है तो आप ऐसे कर सकते हो कि you know you can be somebody else on social media, but you know there is a saying that fake it till you make it.
Uh-huh.
They do that, manifestations and stuff.
Right.
So you can use it that way, you know. You can like write affirmations. You can believe that I have this. You can show the good part. You know, you
Right.
can post the good stuff so that when you open your social media, you know that okay, this happened. I was happy there.
Right.
So good things will happen. You know, you have
Absolutely.
to change your vision, and that's how social media will actually help you. And if you keep it balanced, it's good.
So how do you let it not impact one's mental health? A lot of time, because people are constantly, you know, on social media or reading stuff or constantly posting, they also seem to get negatively affected. There's a lot of research that is now talking about the negative impacts of, being on social media? What would you say to that?
I would say just remember that you have your own pace. That's how I manage it.
Uh-huh.
I never compare myself to other people. I don't know if it's a good thing or it's a bad thing. I mean, because comparison is also needed at times. Like competitiveness is needed
Right.
at times. But for me, I don't see it that way. I
Right.
don't know. I don't have that thing, oh, how is that person doing better than me? Because I know that that person has earned it. I'm very happy for them.
Mhm.
But at the same time, I know that I will reach there too. I have a different pace, but I will reach there.
Right.
So that's how I manage
Wow.
it.
Because that's a very wise young lady you raised, huh?
Now she's raising me.
Parenting teenagers, of course, she's just out of teenage, can be challenging. How do you balance guidance with independence? मतलब वो thin line है ना?
See, I am
उसको कैसे
very
balance
much
करते हो?
lucky in this case. Like शुरू में जब एक डर, आपने फियर बोला था, मैंने शुरू में आपको फियर नहीं बोला था,
हाँ.
बाद में फियर भी आ गया था
हाँ.
कि जब ये फेम मिला इसको, मुझे लगा मेरे घर में लड़कों की लाइन लगने वाली है और ये मतलब उस चीज़ में आई एम वेरी लकी एंड शी इज़ वेरी डिसेंट. तो इसको हम एक कर्फ्यू टाइम दे देते हैं कि जाती है, उसको फ्रीडम देते हैं हम, वी ट्रस्ट हर.
हाँ.
तो आज तक उसने वो ट्रस्ट ब्रेक नहीं किया है और हम इसको पूछते नहीं है, क्योंकि बहुत बारे हमको भी उसको फ्रीडम देना है. अब नाउ दैट शी इज ग्रोन अप, सो बट स्टिल देयर इज अ कर्फ्यू.
Right.
There is a
We tell her by this time, this is the
and
deadline.
it's a valid curfew. I mean,
Uh-huh.
it's a very valid curfew. Like I understand.
Right.
It's not safe, and as long as they're okay with me going out, as long as like they know where I am.
I think the kids should not take parents for granted, and respect should come from the both.
Both
Absolutely.
ways.
है ना, both ways, and then this way the life will be easy for both of the parents and the kids as well.
Right.
So they have to understand each other,
Same.
and they have to speak up. Mental health, like they have to discuss. I mean, if the father is strict, no problem, speak to your mom, but rather than speak to your friends and
See,
around,
yeah, the
and
thing
speak
is-
to your parents. I mean, I would suggest
Is important.
bring it to the close.
Communication is very important because what happens is that if you don't express, you try to look for other coping mechanisms to let it out, and they are not healthy. And when you're young, you have no guidance, you tend to resort to unhealthy stuff. So communication is very important. And apart from that, when it comes to understanding and stuff, I feel like one has to remember
And
to,
please, and please don't expect that your daughters are going to touch your friend respect. मैं बोलता हूँ मेरी वाइफ से मुझे ज़्यादा रिस्पेक्ट मिलती है, इससे कम मिलती है. बट ये मैं वाइफ से कम डरता हूँ, इससे ज़्यादा डरता हूँ. बट फिर ठीक है, मुझे इसके साथ अच्छा है, मतलब अच्छा लगता है जैसे भी है. अब उसको एक्सेप्ट करने में भी मुझे टाइम लगा, बट लाइक आप है तो
you
मैं,
reach a middle way.
तो आप ये ना सोचे कि आपके यहाँ पे पेरेंट्स के लिए कि मतलब पेरेंट्स शुड नॉट फील दैट कि मतलब नॉट गेटिंग रिस्पेक्ट, और वो ठीक है, नहीं मिल रहा है, दोस्त है, चलो चलेगा.
बात करो. But always remember, even for kids, for parents, that कोई भी situation हो, try to look at it from the other person's perspective too. That makes it very
बिकॉज
much
मेरे
easier.
सामने कुछ केसेस ऐसे आए हैं क्लोज अराउंड अस, जो मेंटल हेल्थ से गुजर रहे हैं, पेरेंट्स भी नहीं समझ रहे उनको और बच्चे भी, और बुरी कंडीशन में जा रहे हैं. तो मुझे बड़ा खराब लगता है, क्योंकि मेरी भी बेटी है. तो मैं फिर सोचता हूँ क्यों नहीं, तो उस लड़के के बारे में सोचता हूँ, तुम पेरेंट्स से रिलेशन क्यों नहीं बना रहे हो. पेरेंट्स को भी बोलता हूँ, चलो पेरेंट्स तो समझदार है, तुम भूल जाओ सब कुछ यार, बेटी प्रॉब्लम में है. तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं मैम, लाइक मैं देखता हूँ जो मेरे आसपास है चल रहे हैं. तो पेरेंट्स से रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा मैं कि मतलब वो थोड़ा अपने आप को चेंज करे, और क्योंकि आजकल आप देख रहे हो क्योंकि बहुत स्ट्रेसफुल लाइफ है. इट्स नॉट पेरेंट्स, हम लोग तो देखो, हम लोग जिस टाइम से आए हैं, मेरे ख्याल से हमें एक अच्छा गाइडेंस मिला है. और एक चीज़ हम हमेशा ये सोचते थे कि हमारे पेरेंट्स ने हमें जो नहीं दिया हम वो अपने बच्चे को देंगे. हमने दिया भी है, बट वो हमसे कंट्रोल नहीं हो पाया, वो हमारी गलती है. तो अब वो टाइम नहीं है, और ये ना सोचे कि बच्चे ही आपका रिस्पेक्ट करें. तो रिस्पेक्ट दोनों तरफ से आती है. तो आप मेन है, इट्स टफ है कि पेरेंट्स को ही झुकना पड़ेगा.
What is
So-
it that you both admire about each other, Shikaina? What is that one thing you admire most about Dad?
First, I say.
Okay.
I'll say. Sometimes we have massive fights. Like, you know, like ऐसा हो जाता है कि मतलब मेरी वाइफ भी संभाल नहीं पाती और थोड़े देर में कूल है ये डील करने रहा मैंने
हाँ।
चल
Same.
घूम के आते
हाँ,
I like
यूं
that
दिखती है
about
आँख
him
से
too.
थोड़ा
I like that
हाँ,
about him.
तो बोला
हाँ,
चलो
चलो.
Yeah, I like that about him too. Like every time, even like पहले भी like we used to have fights, है ना होते हैं. तो रात को सुबह के 3 बजे दोनों किचन में मिलते थे. ये बाय बना रहे होते थे खाना है, and then he'll make something.
कई बार मैं ना इसको समझाने के चक्कर में इमोशनली भी कई बार मैं ब्रेक डाउन हो जाता हूँ तो मैं अपने सामान उठाता हूँ दोस्त को किस गाड़ी में डाल देता हूँ और रात भर निकल जाता हूँ
हाँ,
तो वाइफ पीछे पड़ती है बोलती है कि मत जाओ मत करो ऐसा वो तो समझती नहीं वो समझ जाएगी ये वो
हाँ, हाँ.
इसको दिखाने के लिए एक्चुअली टैंट्रम्स उसको दिखाना होता है कि ये सोचे कि मेरे पिताजी चले
जा
गए
रहे हैं.
फर्क नहीं पड़ता इनको फिर थोड़ी देर में घूम फिर आगे मच्छर काट रहे ये कर रहे
हाँ.
वापस आ गए घर पे फिर ये बोल रहे आ गए
That's not bad. You
so
know, you have
it's a
to-
fun sometimes remembering all these things you know if you take it as a fun it will be fun your life will be fun तो एक ज़माना था मैं भी सोचता था कि यार मैं बाप हूँ मुझे रिस्पेक्ट मिलना चाहिए बेटी को मैं ऐसा बुलाऊँ तो बेटी डरना चाहिए
हाँ.
या मैं आँख दिखा दूँ तो वो टाइम नहीं रहा मैम तो
ये अभी आई गेस इनके भी चैलेंजेस बहुत अलग हैं.
इनके
From our
चैलेंजेस
time,
ज़्यादा है मैम
their
इसके
challenges are very
जैसे आपने
different.
मेंटल हेल्थ के बारे में बताया मैंने
जी, जी.
अपने अराउंड बोला मैं आपको बता नहीं सकता अभी कैमरे पे तो बहुत मतलब पेरेंट्स को मतलब बहुत ही ज़्यादा मतलब क्या बोलते हैं उसको उनको ढालना पड़ेगा अपने बच्चों को संभालने के लिए और उनसे बात करें बेचारे आजकल के बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं वो बहुत ही गलत रास्ते पे है वो सोचते हैं उनके पेरेंट्स उनको नहीं समझते तो मतलब सैड थिंग बट
But जैसे शकाइना बोल रही है, at least try reaching out
Try
because
reaching out.
they are the ones who will
Yeah, your
always
parents will
want
be your
your.
escape. You know?
Absolutely.
अगर मैं हिटलर चेंज हो सकता हूँ तो कोई भी चेंज हो सकता है फिर ये बच्चों के लिए है and depends on the kids also how you will you know
Yeah.
make your क्या बोलते हैं उसको
Make your parents understand and stuff.
Uh-huh.
But you, like I said, even the kids need to take that risk to, you know, go and talk.
Right.
It's very hard, I get it, you know. It took time for me also to express it, but one day I did go and I reached out to him. What's the worst that can happen?
I tell her sometimes go for Vipassana so she is agreed to like not for कि उसको कोई प्रॉब्लम है ये है वो है just for you know
No,
for mental
absolutely.
peace she should go for
Yeah.
Vipassana so
And
I
I'm
keep
in for
suggesting
it.
her
I mean, I'm
and
down.
वो
I
जाएगी
always
वो
wanted to go.
Oh,
I
that's
So-
love experiencing new stuff.
एक्चुअली मुझे वो एक्चुअली क्या है ना मौका नहीं देती कुछ बोलने का क्योंकि बोर्ड चल रहा था तो वो मेरे साथ शो कर रही थी जो मैंने बोला कोई बात नहीं एवरेज आ जाएगा चलेगा ना भी आएगा चलेगा मेरे को इसके मेरी वाइफ मैं इसके मम्मी थोड़ा सा एजुकेशन को लेकर इसका रिजल्ट आया शी वॉज द टॉपर इन क्लास 12 एंड
Wow.
क्लास 10 बोथ तो ठीक है शी नोज हाउ टू मैनेज थिंग्स एंड
So how does what would you tell any child who has aspirations? मतलब उसको शायद एक alternate career भी चाहिए और पढ़ाई भी अच्छी चाहिए. How did you balance both?
See, I didn't stress much on it. Okay, for me, it's like when it comes to studies, when it comes to music, I try to understand it. In the end, I'm telling you, the end conclusion of everything is understanding and communication. You know, you have doubts, you have anything, you talk,
Right.
you clear it out initially. So that's how I managed it. For me, मेरे साथ ऐसा होता था that I used to listen to music while studying. You know, it helped me a lot.
Right.
I relaxed and I took it very normally. I didn't stress on it. The
Right.
second you start stressing on it, you start over analyzing stuff and it makes things hard for you, for
Right.
everybody. So lay back, do it. I'm not saying don't do it. Of course, actions are required,
Right.
but don't stress too much on it. You know,
don't stress
yeah,
Right.
don't let it control you. You control that thing. You know, don't let your emotions control you. You control your emotions.
What does emotional strength mean to you, Shakaina? What does it mean to you, Mark?
they are my emotional strength you know my daughter my wife my son I have a son also
Right.
there are very few less time I talk about him because I'm more into daughter he's not he is very cute very sweet so whenever I'm stressed out outside you know when I come home I feel peace talking to these people and they are you know I live for them they are my strength.
How do you deal with stress, Mark? When you
Deal
have
with
stress.
stress?
I mean, for a man, there's so much that he has to handle. How do you deal with
This
stress?
is a secret. See, I don't. like here when I was right now I was telling kids to talk to their parents. I don't talk. I deal myself, and I don't involve. In my stress, I don't involve my daughter or wife or son, anybody.
Which
I
is
deal it
actually
myself.
not a good
It's a very
thing.
typical man trait. They
It's-
take
yeah,
so
it's
much
the
load
No,
on
it's
their
not that.
patriarchy,
Like I
actually.
feel that there's a trouble. Can you do something about it? Nothing. So why to worry? Why
So
to
what do you
pull-
do?
pull-
Do you sing? Do you go for a
I
walk? How
sing.
do you deal
I
with it?
sing. I sing. I'm a musician. I
What's
talk
your
to-
coping mechanism?
I watch movies and
Okay.
series and try to
Spend time with yourself.
Yeah, but I
spend time.
personally feel like men should also, try taking the risk to express their emotions.
No, I talk to her. It's not that I talk to
I
my
do
wife.
ask him what is going on with
पर
his
वो उतना ही
life, how is
बताते हैं ना?
everything, but I know in the end, even I know that he's like telling me very limited stuff.
See, वो टाइम आएगा जब ये भी प्रेशर कुकर में पकेंगे तो आप क्यों
हाँ,
पकाए उनको पहले से ही, है ना?
Yeah,
तो-
maybe when the time is right, I think, but it is important to express.
देखो हमारा स्ट्रेस जो होता है वो स्ट्रेस रिगार्डिंग वर्क होता है या रिगार्डिंग फैमिली
families होता है, how to
वो
manage it. I get it.
एनुअल इनकम फाइनेंशियल इससे कभी कभी मैं सोचता हूँ भगवान रोटी आराम से दे देते, हम आराम से जिंदगी काट लेते, पैसे भाग दौड़ी एक होती नहीं, तो भाग दौड़ आपकी एनुअल इनकम की है घर चलाने के बाद, तो उसमें बच्चों को वाइफ को क्यों इन्वॉल्व करना? मतलब ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा मैं मर्द ईगो है, आप यू आर द हेड ऑफ द फैमिली एंड देखो ऐसा नहीं है, मेरी वाइफ इज़ अ टीचर हियर इन दिस स्कूल, आज की डेट में वही काम कर रही है, बट आई एम अ फ्रीलांसर, तो हम बहुत दोनों ही घर चलाते हैं और कर सकते हो आप बात, बट मैं खुद प्रेफर नहीं करता इनको डालने में, मैं ये नहीं बोलता किसी को वो अपने अपनी
But yeah, I feel like I know there are situations that men have to go through, and especially when you are like a parent, you're a father, you have a family to look after,
Right.
and इसमें फिर बहुत deep rooted issues आ जाते हैं, like the patriarchy and everything,
Right.
Men in general have been taught to not show their emotions because they are the head of the family.
Right.
Men are taught not to cry, which is very sad, honestly.
it has changed now.
Now it's changing. It's changing now, and I'm so happy about it.
Right.
Like social media के pros and cons दोनों है, but pros
Absolutely.
are there because now they are telling people to express their emotions. They're teaching them like this is okay, But जब family का आता है, I feel like, of course, like he said, we can't do much when it comes to his problems, but in the end, I hope he knows that we are here for him.
Aw.
That is very important.
Right.
Reassurance, validation is very important.
Right.
So in the end, even if problems occur, they pass, and we all are together.
Right.
Even if it's bad, we are
So,
together.
in
Even
that
if it's not
case,
bad,
yeah,
we are
of course, my wife is my biggest
Exactly.
strength, and अगर वो नहीं होती तो आज मैं जिंदा नहीं होता, क्योंकि there were bad phases in my life,
Right.
I was heavily into alcoholics and all, so she took me out from all these things, she stood by me throughout, so मतलब I tell her everything, but like I prefer most of the time not to involve them, but like it's something which I'm not able to handle, then I discuss with them.
Right.
That's good. That's
Understanding,
good.
it's basically
Yeah.
understanding.
Hmm.
Actually, basically, I want to see them smiling, not
Aw.
taking tension. This is my intention, not like my male ego. There's nothing
Hmm.
like
Right. Shikana, what does emotional strength mean to you?
For me, emotional strength for me is being vulnerable.
That's beautiful.
Yeah,
You
have to
nailed
be
it. It's
very-
so important. Absolutely.
You have to be vulnerable with what you feel, what you want, what you mean, and that is what emotional strength is for me. And it's very hard being vulnerable,
Absolutely.
Even you have to be like, oh, doesn't matter, it's
I know.
okay.
It is difficult.
But
Absolutely.
you have to be vulnerable.
Right. Is there a song that both of you relate to when it comes to feeling more bond, feeling a closer bond, or when hard times hit? Is there a song that
many songs, but one particular song, Tera Mujhse Hai
Tera
Pare.
Mujhse, it's our duet song, like we've been
ना था
singing
कोई
it
यार।
बहुत बचपन से, like I was very young तब से। धुआं धुआं था वो समा, यहाँ वहाँ जाने कहाँ,
धुआं धुआं था वो समा, यहाँ वहाँ जाने कहाँ,
तू और मैं कहीं मिले थे पहले, देखा तुझे तो दिल ने कहा जाने तू या जाने ना, माने तू या माने ना।
तेरा मुझसे
है पहले का नाता कोई, यूं ही नहीं दिल लुभाता कोई, तेरा मुझसे है पहले का नाता कोई, यूं ही नहीं दिल लुभाता कोई।
Thank you.
That's beautiful. Thank you so much.
Thank
So
you.
what we learned today was strength is in vulnerability. What is important is to talk, be each other's support system. Great. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
both of
Prachi.
you. Thank you
Thank
so
you
much.
very much.
Also today is Father's Day, so thank you so much for
Oh.
taking time out for us.
Happy
Yes,
Father's Day.
Manjeet.
Every day is Father's Day.
Thank
When it comes
you.
to the gift, every day is a Father's Day.
Great. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Bye bye.